Are you ready for the ultimate secret mission? Well, you're in luck because today, we're about to unveil an absolutely incredible AI tool that will blow your mind. You won't believe your eyes when you see how this tool can make you up to $300 in just one day. And believe us, we cannot afford for this top secret information to be leaked into the public. The AI technology we're about to share with you is so advanced, so miraculous, that it will leave you in awe. It's time to bring out your favorite robot sidekick because we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and money making. But wait, before we blast off, make sure to touch the like button with your magic wand and hit subscribe so that we can welcome you and keep you in the know. This is one mission you don't want to miss. Today, we'll be introducing you to Loka, an AI-powered money-making tool that's revolutionizing logo design. Loka employs advanced algorithms to create custom logo designs that are tailored to your unique preferences and inputs. With Loka, you can rest assured that your logo accurately reflects your brand identity, thanks to the cutting-edge technology behind it. Let me walk you through Loka's seamless demo. First, you'll enter your company or brand name, and within seconds, Loka will prompt you to specify your logo preferences. This includes the type of logo you prefer, which will give the AI insight into your design style. Next, you'll be asked to choose your preferred color scheme and the message you want your logo to convey. Once you've provided all these details, Loka will generate several logo options for you to choose from. And the best part? You can further customize any of these designs to align perfectly with your brand. With Loka, creating a unique and professional logo has never been easier. Let's talk about how you can turn Loka into an amazing AI money-making solution. On Fiverr, many graphic designers are selling logos for anywhere between $25 to $45 per image, providing customers with 3 to 4 options at that cost. As a new user of Loka to create logos, you can offer your services for as low as $20, providing 3 unique logo options for your clients to choose from. By undercutting the market, you may be able to attract more customers, and if you have about 15 clients, you could make $250 to $300 in a day. Initially, it may seem challenging to acquire 15 customers, even if you offer lower prices. But the key is to build up your brand, and as you gain more experience and expertise, you can gradually increase your prices. For instance, you could charge $50 and offer 6 logo options. Even if you have only 1 client per day, you could still make up to $1,500 in a month, which could cover a bill or 2. The possibilities with Loka are endless. Thanks for tuning in to my channel, where we explore the exciting world of AI monetization. Remember, success in this field requires patience, consistency, and creativity. And with the power of AI at your fingertips, the sky's the limit. So why not let Loka and other AI tools help you make some extra cash? I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Keep pushing forward, and don't forget to be patient, be consistent, be creative, and embrace the endless possibilities that AI has to offer. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI monetization.